Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz and today I have a Spellbinders unboxing for you. This is the quick and easy card kit of the month for August 2023. It's called The Fun Life. I took it out of the bag so you don't have to watch me fumble with that. And we're going to begin with this sort of overview. It tells you all the contents of the kit. It gives you a couple card samples, and then on the back they'll walk you through assembling a card just to get you started. It's kind of nice. Sometimes I get these things and I don't know where to start. So as always, our kit has some double-sided adhesive and some foam adhesive. And then there are 8 A2 American card bases and 8 envelopes. Then we have some cardstock. We usually get 5 colors and 4 pieces of each. These are already cut to A2 size, which is really great. So we have this lovely pale blue, a nice sherbety limey green, a very vibrant yellow, some pale pink, and a nice deep purple. For our patterned paper, this is 6x6 pattern paper. It typically has gold foil accents, and there will be one of each sheet. It is a layering weight paper, and this one has a roller skate on it. So we're just going to kind of flip through and see how it goes. I love that stripe. The gold foil is in the very thin bit of the plaid. Can you see that? That's fun. Some bicycles. I love that there's a mix of these sort of tone-on-tone, more muted patterns that you can mix and match with the bolder patterns. I love that. Got a little plaid in there. There's like an orangey slim stripe in there that's not picking up real well on camera. That might be my favorite. Definitely a top pick. I always love a black and white pattern. Our butterflies have some gold foil on them. Some rainbows. There are gold foil dots in the background there. Pick it up. It doesn't want to. Not as much. Some rainbow polka dots, some green sort of tone-on-tone flowers, but I think it's blue in the background there. Sunglasses, another plaid, some smiles, and then that is stunning. It's like a watercolor background. All right. Set that aside. We have some pink sequins. There's no hole in here. Looks like we have a couple sizes in there, and they're a little iridescent. So it's a pale pink iridescent sequin, and there are a lot in here. You could make a couple of shakers with that. Then we have some chipboard stickers. Looks like 2 sheets. This is a really vibrant, fun color palette this month. So we have Happy Day, Our Sweet Life, Good Vibes, Amazing, Sunny and Bright, Fun in the Sun. There's some gold foil on there too. Adventure, You Make My Heart Sing, Sunshine Fun, Yes, 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 Explore, See, Do, It's Your Day, Relax, Life is Good, Enjoy the Ride. I love when there's little chipboard hearts on there, or chipboard dots or anything like that, just for accent on any card. We have some puffy stickers. Let's see if I can get these out of here. This packaging feels sturdier than it has in the past, which means even sturdier shakers. So I love that. We have some stars and hearts in the background. So happy. Oh yeah, this is good. You are amazing. Oh, it's so happy together. Haha. Boy, yay for today. Girl, just be you. Let's go. Stay cool. Sun and fun, strong and brave. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I make a lot of emergency cards. And so I love the sentiments. I think we've got good ones in here. There's a whole nother page of sentiments over here. Sometimes there aren't as many. So I always make emergency cards out of this card kit. So I'll have a video later in the month making a bunch of emergency cards. But yeah, this one, it's tempting not to. There's lots of options. These are, oh, they're also puffy stickers. Chase your dreams, Let the good times roll. Smile, good vibes, born to be awesome. Sun plus fun. This life, you make me smile. Believe in yourself. Yay, yay, yay. It's your day. I love you for being you. You're an original, one of a kind. So cool. Oh, happy day. And I love these arrows. They're kind of quirky and goofy. That's awesome. And then we have our die cut pieces. There's always tons of them. See if I can get these out of here. All right. Got a little bit of a retro vibe happening. The colors in this one remind me of an old kit that was called Art School, which was one of my very favorites. Nice and bright and vibrant. So we've got some sunglasses, this sort of like film strip situation. I tend to divide mine up into categories. So like scene building, and then just objects, things, right? So that camera, food, there's always a category for food and a category for florals. These florals have a lot of gold foil on them, which I love. There's usually a category for animals. Oh, there's some donuts. You know I love donuts. Oh man, what's your favorite kind of donut? I would love to know. Animals, again, so I have cats. I have like a little tiger something. Got a bunch of leaves, more florals. This is sort of scene building, right? This sort of wall hanging. A lot of times, if there's something kind of delicate, the middle pieces, you just punch out on your own. They're barely hanging in there, but it keeps them from getting all banged up inside the bag. I love that. Ice cream cone, more florals. And then I love when there are some of these bigger pieces, right? Like you can put something together pretty quickly with like a large set of hearts or these really large florals. This is my color jam right here. A little blue, a little purple. I have a roller skating cat. I think that's a cat. There's a bunch of roller skates. We had that on some of our paper as well. This is also huge. Look, I mean, that's the size of my palm. That's awesome. I love it. We've got some good extra hearts, small things too. I love when there are little pieces to just kind of fill in a little bit. I've got here our rainbow. Put that with the large die cuts. A peace sign, yep, going a little more retro. This has all the months of the year on our color wheel. We've got some cake, some rainbow cake. You could absolutely make a lovely pride card out of this, right? Which is awesome, super awesome. Clipboard. You can make an encouragement card for your kids. Mine are going back to school in a couple of days. You guys, I can't wait. My youngest is starting kindergarten. That's fun. And we're going to have one drop off for a couple of years. I don't know what I'll do with myself in the morning. It's going to be fantastic. Oh, I love this. I love this kit. We got a nice large bicycle that's kind of fun, a little retro. Okay, I'm not going to go through absolutely everything. I will link to the kit in the description box below, and they will have like all of these die cut pieces laid out very nicely, and you can see everything and zoom in. And I will also link to the other kits. The small die of the month might be my top pick. It is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I'll link to all the kits, and double check if you're going to get one kit, you might as well look at the value clubs, because a lot of times you can get an additional kit for not much more. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you next time.